In this question, we have to find correct IUPAC name of the given compound. Now, this molecule is having principal functional group alcohol. So, total number of carbon in main chain 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 carbon atoms are present in main chain. At second carbon, ethyl group is present. So, name of the molecule is 2-ethyl pentane 1-ol, and hence correct answer is B. Lewisite is poisonous gas having formula. So, lewisite is formed when acetylene is treated with arsenic trichloride. So it will be converted to CHCl double bond CH AS Cl2, and hence correct answer is B. Cellulose present in plants act as a food for cattle but not for human being, because now cellulose is polymer of beta D-glucopyranose, while starch is polymer of alpha D-glucopyranose. Now, beta D-glucopyranose can be only hydrolyzed in presence of cellulase enzyme, and since cellulase is not present in human body, hence glucose cannot be broken down into D-glucose, and hence correct answer is A. While other options are incorrect, human saliva cannot break down. This is incorrect. Bile juice present in cattle. This is also incorrect. Human being have a smaller stomach. This is also incorrect, and hence correct answer is identify X, Y, Z in the given reaction. Now we are having beta hydroxy butanol. So this is product of aldol condensation reaction, and when acetaldehyde molecule is treated with a strong base, so first base abstract as positive ion and convert aldehyde into enolate ion. Now this enolate ion will act as nucleophile and it will donate pair of electrons. So carbon oxygen electrons are shifted and it will be converted to beta hydroxy carbonyl compound. So correct answer is two equivalents of CH3CH acetaldehyde along with NaOH, and hence correct answer is B. Which step in chain propagation step in the following mechanism? So first step is chain initiation, in which neutral molecule form radical. So this is the first step, which is chain initiation. Now in second step, chain propagation step, one radical convert other neutral molecule into radical. So during chain propagation, radicals are present in reactant as well as in product. So option B. Now this step is chain propagation step. Now third step is chain termination step, when radical combine to form neutral molecule, and these last two steps are chain termination, in which Cl radical combine to form Cl2 and CH3 and Cl radical form combine to form CH3Cl. So second is chain propagation, and hence correct answer is B. Arrange the following compound in decreasing order of their boiling point. Now boiling point of alkyl halide increases with increasing molecular weight, because with increasing molecular weight van der Waals force increases, and with increasing van der Waals force of attraction boiling point also increases. So maximum boiling point is present in 4, then 3, 2, and 1, because boiling point depend on molecular weight and van der Waals force of attraction. Match the column 1 with column 2 and mark appropriate choice. Now bacteriostatic are those substances which inhibit growth of microbes. So for P, 2. Bactericidal are those substances which kill microbes. So for Q, 3. Narrow spectrum antibiotic are those antibiotics which are effective against single disease. So for R, 4. And as receptors are crucial to body's communication process. So for S, 1. So correct answer P2, Q3, R4, and S1, and hence option B is correct. Which of the following statement regarding the SN1 reaction shown by the alkyl halide is not correct? So first statement, alkyl halide, the added nucleophile plays no kinetic role in SN1 reaction. So during SN1 reaction in alkyl halide, halogens or leaving group are deposited in first step and result in formation of carbocation. Now nucleophile will combine with carbocation in second step. Now first step is slow and hence first step is rate determining step while second step is fast. Now in rate determining step only alkyl halide is involved, so rate of reaction depend only on the nature of alkyl halide and independent on the nature of nucleophile, and hence option A is correct. The SN1 reaction involves the inversion of configuration of the optically active compound of now this statement is incorrect because during SN1 reaction, for example, if we have CH3, Cl, H, C2H5. Now during SN1 reaction, carbocation is formed. Now these carbocation are planar intermediate, so nucleophile can attack from both of the sides. So there is possibility of racemization. So during SN1 reaction, rather than inversion, racemization takes place. This molecule is formed along with its enantiomer. So this is incorrect statement, and we have to find incorrect statement, and hence correct option is B. While other option, the SN1 reaction on chiral static material end up with racemization of the product. This is also correct. For example, in this reaction, this is chiral and the product form is enantiomeric mixture, so racemic mixture is formed as final product. The more stable the carbocation intermediate, the faster the SN1 reaction. This is correct because rate of reaction depend on intermediate stability of intermediate. In this reaction, carbocation intermediate is formed, so higher is the stability of intermediate, faster is the reaction, and hence correct answer option is B. In this question, we have to find correct options. Polychlorinated biphenyl are non-carcinogenic in nature. This is incorrect because they are cancer-causing agent. They are carcinogenic in nature, and they are used as cleansing solvent for various industries, and hence correct option is 2 and 3 are correct. So correct answer is B, both 2 and 3. The carbon oxygen hydrogen bond angle in alcohol is slightly less than tetrahedral angle, whereas carbon oxygen carbon bond angle in ether is slightly greater because now if we take alcohol and ether, now in alcohol due to lone pair repulsion, bond angle is slightly smaller than 109 degree, it is approximately 105. But in ether, due to these alkyl repulsion between alkyl group, bond angle is slightly greater than 109, it is approximately 111. So in ether, due to repulsion between two bulky groups, bond angle is higher, and hence correct answer is A. What is the end product of the following sequence of reaction? Now acid is treated with PCl5, and when benzoic acid is treated with PCl5, it will be converted to benzoyl chloride. So COCl is formed as a product. Now benzoyl chloride on reacting with ammonia gets converted to amide. So benzamide is formed as a product. Now this benzamide on reacting with bromine and KOH, Hofmann bromide reaction takes place, and due to Hofmann bromide reaction, it will be converted to aniline along with formation of KBr and CO2, and hence final product R is aniline, and correct answer is A. Which of the following is not true for thermoplastic polymer? Thermoplastic polymers are linear polymer. This is correct. They soft and melt on heating. This is also correct. Molten polymer can be remolded into any shape. This is also correct. They have cross-linked which break on heating. This is incorrect because cross linkage is present in thermosetting polymer like bakelite. arrange following alcohol in order of increasing reactivity towards metal. Now, alcohol are having acidic hydrogen, and due to acidic hydrogen, they react with sodium metal to produce hydrogen gas, and they will convert it to alkoxide ion. Now, this reaction depend on rate of reaction depend on acidic character of alcohol. Now, ethanol is most acidic, and hence reaction will be fastest with ethanol. Then isopropyl alcohol, because with increasing plus I effect, acidic strength decreases, so reaction is fastest in first, then second, and third will be least acidic, and hence correct answer is A. Study the given reaction and identify the process which is carried out. Now, when carbonyl compounds are treated with NHSO3, now it will be converted to sodium salt of sulfonic acid, and this sodium salt of sulfonic acid, when again treated with sodium carbonate, they again converted back to carbonyl compound. So this method is used for purification of aldehyde and ketone, because aldehyde and ketone will react to form insoluble precipitate, while other impurities will be remain and such. So correct answer is A. It is used for purification of aldehyde and ketone. Canonical structure of aniline ion obtained by accepting a proton are given below. Choose the correct statement. Now, in the given structure statement, second structure is not valid because nitrogen is forming 5 bonds. So this is not valid Lewis structure, because nitrogen can form maximum up to 4 bonds. So aniline ion, we have to find aniline ion has 2 stable canonical structure, 1 and 3. Now this is correct. Second is not acceptable structure because carbonium ion is less stable. This is incorrect. Only 1 and 3 acceptable aromatic canonical, since 2 is not non-aromatic. This is also incorrect. Aniline ion has 3 stable canonical. These are incorrect. Only statement given in option A is correct. Aniline has 2 stable canonical structure, 1 and 3. Second is not valid structure. In this question, we have to find which of the following compound will have highest melting point. Now, melting point depend on efficiency of packing, and packing efficiency depend on symmetrical nature of the molecule. So those molecules which are more symmetrical have higher packing efficiency, and they will have higher melting point. Now, in second structure, both CH3 are present in opposite direction, both Cl are present in opposite direction. So second molecule is having most symmetrical structure, and hence it will have maximum boiling point, and correct answer is 2.